Check this out. This is the flu outbreak as it stands in our country. And you can see Michigan right in the middle of the flu epidemic.
We told you at 5 o'clock that the outbreak is so bad in West Michigan, even hospital staff being hit by the bug. And now at 6, we're taking that further, showing you what a hospital does if it has an emergency when there's a shortage of beds due to the flu.
Danny Carlson has this report live tonight from Spectrum Hospital. Danny?
Well, you know what, Marley and Brett, this isn't something new. Hospitals told us that they really started planning for emergency situations like this after September 11th, 2001, for whenever they might have a situation where they would have a lot of patients. And it's looking like this year's flu could turn out to qualify. Unfortunately, the people at Spectrum, 2 emergency preparations leaders who we had planned to talk to today, are both home sick. But hospital emergency plans aren't based on just one, but rather all of the hospitals in our region working together. The Kent County Health Department says hospitals talk, share patient counts, communicate capacity and resources available. Constant contact to get through a crisis.
There is an opportunity to maximize their ability in the West Michigan region to absorb as many cases as possible. And they also have plans for rescheduling elective procedures and to utilize their off-site clinics more effectively as well.
We were told that using different buildings for patients is always an option, but in published emergency plans, it's one that's lower down the list. We were told that capacity is being monitored closely, and flu admissions here at Spectrum are still at about 20 a day, again, with another spike expected next week.
We are seeing the peak or the upswing in that curve sooner. We don't know what the peak will be yet until we actually experience it, but certainly we're trending in a very dangerous curve at this point.
Now we're just not sure. We'll have to wait until the end of the season. Now, hospital officials do still recommend that you get a flu shot. It might not provide perfect protection, but it will provide you some protection from all of the bugs that are going on around there right now. And we are also told don't visit hospitals if you are feeling sick. A lot of hospitals in our area have asked us to get this message out, saying give a call, maybe send an email, and then visit when you're feeling better, because somebody who's sick could do a lot of damage in a hospital where people are already vulnerable. Live in Grand Rapids tonight, Danny Carlson, 24 Hour News 8.